Yeah, this is my bike check, I guess. Start at the front. Got Shadow, Conspiracy 13, flangeless grips, random Haro barns, I don't even know what they are. I think these are like bars from a Haro F2, but I just got, I don't know, a plate sticker and a mannequin sticker on it. That's a new Haro stem. Got just stock Mirraco 5-star forks. I cut the front brake mounts off because they're just pointless. Got a Kenda rad front tire, stock Mirraco 5-star rim, stock Mirraco 5-star hub and spokes. It's a Mirraco 5-star altogether. It's like the bike. I got some just fucking stickers. Got a swagger sticker there. Can't go without that. Stock Mirraco cranks. I love those things. There's full chromoly. I think they're just beautiful. They're light. They're nice. I love them. I'm not sure what that sprocket is. I got it from a friend, but it's pretty nice. It's held up, I guess. These are some sort of duo pedals. I don't even know what the full name of them are, but they're duo, and I like the feel of them. They've always worked good for me, and they got their little. I put those little white caps on that came with it. Just I don't even know what the chain is. Got a back wheel. I got it for a friend. Just because it's got the 9-tooth, and I wanted one. This is the newest addition to my bike. The mannequin forward pivotal seat, slim. And I think it's beautiful. I just put it on today. It's quite nice. I got just some random alienation seat post. Random Haro tire. It's Kenda, I guess, on the back. And that's my bike, I guess.